What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Trading stock RHE. Check it out. Yeah, guys, before I forget, let me show you the poll results today. Good results here, especially considering how the day acted. You have 66% of traders are green on the day, 16% red, 16% didn't trade. So good work managing risk today, guys. Well, guys, I'm sitting out here enjoying a little bit of the sun here. Good day trading RHE. It wasn't a very easy trade, but it was, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I had a couple trades on them. Stopped out a couple pieces here and there. Took an L on one of my final pieces, but it was a small L because it was a small piece left. Used my bearish signal that usually saves me money. Today, it did not save me money, but hey, you can't win them all, right? So, nonetheless, a little green day here, so happy with that. Performance in the chat room was great. I'll show you the poll results. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over both trades on RHE. We're going to go over some of the other charts as well, and I'll show you the alerts and the chat room action here at the daytraderchatroom.com. Before we move any further, you'd think I ask you to smash the like button for me. I'm not going to do that. Just do it at the end. Watch the video. If you learned something, if you feel like you got some value, then hook me up and, smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, check out the daytraderchatroom.com. Link in the description section and comment section below with a 5-day trial. And Webull, you can download the app from the account with as little as $5. You're going to get yourself some free stock. So that's free money. That's a no-brainer. Go ahead and do that. Link in the description and comment section. And I think it's time for us to jump into the charts. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the watch list. Today's watch list in the daytraderchatroom.com. AFRM, we were just looking to take some more profits off on those calls from yesterday. Took the bulk of the position off yesterday midday and took a small L on the remainder of that position. ACIU, RHE, Tesla, all on watch today. And RHE was really the main one that made a very nice move today. So we'll jump in here and take a look at some of these. So RHE this morning, right here in the morning, right here. Remember, guys, right around there. Before this candle happened, I said, guys, watch out for a double bottom on RHE. We could see a double bottom and a nice push off that level. And sure enough, we saw that push right through the highs. RHE got halted up here at 1186. A really good volume on that push higher. And then right off of the resumption, while it was halted, I told you guys I would be watching for a pullback into this zone to see how it acted. If it bounced off that area, I'd look to get long. And sure enough, that's exactly what I did. My first trade of the day was on RHE there. And that one, long RHE, 1170, stop, 1075 area. And we immediately get a quick little pop there. 1208, take some profits, took some more profits off at 1214. And that's when we were right around there. And as soon as we started to come back down here and broke underneath this halt price, VWAP 23.6 fib, I stopped out of the remainder of the position at 1150. While we were in this candle here, I told you guys, since I took my two tick profits, that I moved my stop up towards that 1150 area. So stopped out of that remainder at 1150. And I'll show you here the alerts real quickly here so you guys see them over at YouTube here while I film this. So guys, let me stop you right there real quick. Trade ideas, you gotta check them out. You have to. They're the best and most customizable scanners you can find out there. Link in the description and comment section with a coupon code for you. Make sure you use that code so you can get yourself 15% off. Long RHE 1170, stopped 1075 area, took some profits off 1208, took some profits off 1214, stopped out 1150. Well, I told you new stop 1150, sold out 1153. All right, so that was the first trade on RHE, sold out there. Then I kept it on watch. We got right back up over VWAP again, and again I went after RHE here, and I put out an order on the ask at 1230 right up here because I was concerned that we might have always the potential for a double top. And sure enough, what did we get right off that level? A double top. I took off a portion of the position right there. Long RHE, here's the new one. Long RHE 1182, stop $11 area, taking some profits 12.30, and then sold out at 11.45. Why did I sell out at 11.45? Well, because we double topped, we insta rejected off that level, came all the way back down to the support zones that I had bought in front of, which is generally a bearish signal. More often than not, this type of action leads into continuous downside like this. Okay, more often than not, what you get off those levels is a move like that. So I did not want to continue participating in that trade there, so I looked to exit. Just got out there at 11.45, stopped out on the remainder, small L on that remaining position, but a nice take profit at 12.30 plus this other trade. They're made for a nice little green trade on it. Now that was my second trade on RHE. After that, I did not take another trade on RHE. After that, I was watching, and right in here, we broke up above VWAP. We started to pull in and hold this level. I told you guys to watch that level to see if it holds support, because we might get that next shot on up higher. And, you know, right when we got this little tail right through that zone, I kind of took my eyes off of the ball and missed out on a really good opportunity here to re-enter, because a re-entry on this candle or on this candle would have been money. You get the push up higher there from $11.75, $12, all the way up towards $13.50 or so. And now we're getting a nice little, grind higher. But that would have been a very nice trade, very clean trade off of VWAP, 9 AMA, 23.6 Fibonacci. You got that 9 AMA crossing over VWAP, and you got a nice push. So RHE here, small green on the day, but consistency is the key, obviously. Wish I would have caught this side here of the trade, but a couple nice little trades in here, holding it tight and managing my risk. Wound up being a decent day. Was also watching Tesla today for that breaking hold of 730. We gapped up, we pushed off that level, then we got underneath it, and all Tesla did was just trade sideways, very choppy like under VWAP. Out of nowhere, it got this explosive candle through the highs, and it's been grinding against that 9 AMA ever since. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Let me know what you traded. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.